We are pleased to show you the 2023 RDX. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, compass. The RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.